In this tutorial, I'll show you how to model and render a phone case. Create a plane, and press S and Y to scale in the Y-axis. Press E to extrude on the Z-axis. We can remove the top face, and bevel the side edges. After selecting the edges, Ctrl B with the mouse wheel to bevel with multiple segments. Press I, as in India, to extrude inward. Ctrl R to create loop cuts won't work on this mesh any longer, so we need to use the knife tool instead. Press K, C, and Z to use the knife tool with the cut through option at a straight angle. Let's add the Solidify modifier, and auto-smooth the normals. Let's set up the render scene and apply the materials. Please watch a tutorial listed in the description to match my final render settings, as I'm using a cloned look dev HDRI setting. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.